earlier in February, the National Assembly passed the 2023 National Budget. Included in the $781.9 billion budget were new tax measures. I'm Fabian Klaus. Let's talk about it. If you are 60 years or older or are incapacitated by illness or infirmity, you are now exempt from paying the 20% withholding tax on interest earned on savings not exceeding $1,020,000. And this is effect from January 1, 2023. However, if your interest from savings exceed this amount, you can set off the withholding tax against any tax assessed if you declare your income from all sources when you're filing your tax returns. You can also write the GRA for an exemption from the withholding tax on interest earned on savings accounts if it exceeds $10,000. You can email your request for the exemption to compliance@gra.gov.gy. That is compliance@gra.gov.gy. You will be required to provide the original updated bank book or statement for the preceding year and a valid ID for all persons on the account. Let's go to that break. Subject to Section 7A of the Customs Act, Chapter 8201, an environmental levy of $10 shall apply on every metal, plastic, or glass container of alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverage or water. Importers, local manufacturers, and producers of such products must pay the levy upon importation, warehousing, or removal of the product from the warehouse, factory, bond, or any other place of storage. Payment of the levy shall be made by the manufacturer or producer no later than 15 days after the end of the month during which the goods were sold or removed. A person who fails to pay the levy commits an offense and is liable to a fine of $50,000 together with a sum twice the amount of the levy payable. Officers from the GRA's Environmental Levy Unit will be conducting scheduled field visits to sensitize and enforce compliance with the laws. For more information, contact the GRA's Environmental Levy Unit on 227-6060, extension 2501 or 2503. Welcome back to TalkTax. We've been discussing those tax measures that were introduced in the 2023 National Budget. Now, aside from the amendments to the Income Tax Act, there were measures also introduced to reduce the taxes on the importation of motor vehicles. Effective February 6, 2023, motor vehicles under 1500cc, which are 4 or more years old, now attract a flat rate of excise tax of $800,000. Additionally, the rate of customs duty on motor vehicles under 4 years and under 1500cc has been reduced from 45% to 35%. And finally, VAT has been removed on all electric motor vehicles under 4 years old. All motor vehicles imported and falling under the categories that I mentioned previously but not entered to date will qualify for the reduced rates of tax once they're submitted in the automated system for customs data as Ikuda World with effect from February 6, 2023. For more information on the application of these new tax measures, you can visit the GRA's website. You can also give our tax specialist a call for any tax-related queries that you may have. And remember, you can keep up to date with the GRA on its social media platforms by liking or following us. Simply search Guyana_Revenue_Authority. Now I'm out of time, so we'll talk tax next time.